I engaged Constant Lab in 2010, and my experience with Constant Lab has been fairly smooth, and they delivered on time, on budget, and as per my requirements, and which I'm sure is not an easy task to do, given that I've had a lot of requirements. I keep sending. I'm the type of guy who I keep sending in and out requirements in and out. So it was a big challenge, but overall I'm pleased with the results, and it's just been a great working experience. And the team has been so supportive of my ideas, and the best part about Constant is that they're not just building you a website; they're actually helping you determine what your requirements are and to come up with a complete solution that actually meets your requirements. So yeah, I think my experience with them has been great so far, and I hope it stays that way. Commitment to their customers. Personally, my experience is that they've always delivered as per my requirements, and they've never sort of questioned me in a way in meeting the deadline. So it's always been, this is my requirement, and then they'll try to meet the deadline that I've set, and almost always they've set the deadline only on different separate occasions where I change the requirements, and which happens along the way. So I would say commitment to delivering the best. Going Away Sale is basically an online classifieds website that actually allows users to buy and sell stuff at a cheaper rate. So I see it as a portal for people to trade their items openly in public. So that's what Going Away Sale is. Well, by looking at the list of their portfolio and the ability to actually design creative, functional websites, that was one of the major decision points, and also the fact that they were very prompt with their response. So the key factors that really contributed in me asking them to build the site was that they've addressed all of my queries right when I asked them, within less than a day. I remember there was one time I sent an email out and it came back within a day, and they addressed all of my questions, and they were really professional from my point of view anyway. And that was one of the major decision factors that actually made me choose Constant Lab. In terms of quality, price, and time, in terms of meeting the deadline, I would actually rate Constant Lab a 9.5. I would highly recommend Constant Lab. And the only reason why I don't give anyone a 10 is because I just don't give anyone a 10. All I can say is that Constant Lab has done a great job for me, and they've been highly professional, and I would recommend them to anyone. And that's just that.